Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll take a look at the Shipping Checkpoints widget, a cart-level feature that helps customers confirm important shipping details before completing their purchase. It's designed to catch issues like incomplete addresses or incorrect shipping options before the order is submitted, helping you reduce errors and improve the overall checkout experience. Let's get started. To access the Shipping Checkpoints widget, open your customized Debutify theme. From there, click on Debutify Widgets and select the Shipping Checkpoints widget. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings and open the Enterprise widgets. Once the widget is enabled, return to Debutify Widgets and open Shipping Checkpoints. Here, you can customize all of the widget settings. First, add the label that appears on your shipping checkpoint, like Ordered. Next, choose the Order Ready date to show customers when their order is prepared. Then, add the label that appears for your Order Ready status, such as Order Ready. You can also select a delivered date to set clear delivery expectations. Finally, add the label that appears for your delivered status, like Delivered. And that's it. Your Shipping Checkpoints widget is now set up. By customizing it, you'll keep shoppers informed, improve engagement, and reduce checkout issues, all while delivering a smooth shopping experience. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.